Hello everyone and welcome to the next tutorial. Now just a quick recap on what we covered in the last tutorial. In the last one we covered how to add a course announcement and how to add the instructor information with an image as well. So that was a quick recap on what we did in the previous tutorial. So now let's move on to the new stuff. In this tutorial we're going to focus on adding textbooks, so the course textbooks, and a syllabus. So let's first start out with textbooks. Let's click on textbooks. Now remember, for textbooks we create a content area. Now you'll see why we did that here in a second. Okay, so here's a full empty folder. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to publish your content. So right there, and we're going to do search for textbook. So click on that. So what we're going to do is we need the ISBN of each textbook you're using for your course. I already have a list of the ISBNs used for advanced composition. I've got them right here in a Word document. So here's the first one. I'm going to copy that. Okay, so we're going to enter that in right there in the keywords box. So right click, paste. And there you go. I found the book. So it has an image, has the price. And so this is the book that is used for advanced composition. So we're going to click on select. And it's listed. Now we're going to add another book. So you're going to go to submit and add another. Okay. And once again, I'm going to pull up my Word document. Here's the other book used. So I'm going to copy that, right click, copy, and then open up Blackboard again, and then we're going to enter in the new ISBN number. Right click, paste, again, leave type to all, click on go, and there's the other book. Again, there's the price and all the information. Click on select, and voila. Now you want to leave required. Now you can add as many books as you want. So if you have other books that you want your students to read or is recommended, you can add those as well and just check the recommended circle right there. And that's it. So now go down. So now we're going to go down and permit users to view, yes. Track number of views, no. Leave the date restrictions of time open. Click on submit since we're done. Now if you want to submit another one, you're going to click on submit and add another. But for this tutorial we have entered all the books that we need. So click on submit. And there you go. So now when students click on textbooks, they'll see these two books right here, or the other books that you may want to add. So that's it. Now let's move on to syllabus, adding your syllabus. So we're going to click on syllabus. Now there are different ways to add your syllabus. Now you can do it through Blackboard, you can type it up here in the text edit box, but usually I find it better just to attach it so students can open up in a Word document and print it if they want, or save it locally to their desktop, whatever. So all we're going to do is we're going to ignore the text edit box right here, and we're just going to upload the syllabus. And I already have a syllabus saved in my folder, so you can go browse my computer. Okay, so I got everything saved in Blackboard files. There's a folder on my desktop, and I'm going to choose the comp syllabus right there. As you can see right there, it's going to attach, and then permit users to view, yes. Track number of views, no. And again, leave the date and time restrictions open. Click on submit. And there you go. There's a syllabus. So now when students click on syllabus, they'll be able to download the attachment. Now, let me show you how this will look on the student end in the other Blackboard course that I have set up where I'm a student. Alright, so now this is the other Blackboard site that I have where I'm a student, and this is the actual view for students. So this is what students will actually see. So now when they click on textbooks, you've got a list of textbooks that are required for the course. Now you can add other textbooks if you like. If you have recommended books, you can add those too. And let's go to the syllabus. Click on syllabus. And there it is. So all students have to do is they can double click on syllabus and it'll download so they can open it or save it. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. A good job. You're getting there. Just hang in there and keep on doing the good work that you're doing. Now next is you need to complete the activities and tasks, and then you can move on to the next tutorial. Thanks guys, and again, great job.